Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is German defense firm HENSOLDT to open high-volume radar manufacturing site by 2027. German sensor technology company HENSOLDT announced plans to open a new production facility dedicated to series manufacturing of radar systems for air and drone defense. The expansion responds to surging demand, especially from the German armed forces. The new site is expected to start operations in 2027 and will produce around 1,000 radars annually, significantly boosting overall production capacity. HENSOLDT's existing site in Ulm, which employs about 3,000 staff, will remain the hub for radar development, high-end production, and electronic warfare systems. Chief Financial Officer Christian Ladurner said the Ulm facility has reached its limits after years of capacity expansion, making the new site essential to sustain growth. He emphasized that the expansion is not only necessary, but also without alternative, as the company struggles to keep up with urgent demand from its primary customers. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write @ Electronics Technology 50.